Good morning and welcome in the fourth chapter of the Islamic world. In last episode, we have discussed so many facts related to Islam, like the uh, condition of Arab before the rise of Islam, the caliphate system, four Khalifa, and their extension. We have also mentioned in this first episode of this chapter about the Umayyad dynasty. But the second dynasty after the decline of Umayyad dynasty, Abbasi revolution is very important. Actually, this Abbasid were from the Makkah, and the Abbasid revolution was started on the name of the uncle of Prophet Muhammad, Abbas. Umayyad dynasty was dominated by the Arabs, and so many sections of this, so many communities of this Arab empire were neglected. Mainly the Iranians were neglected, Syria were neglected. So what happened? From Khurasan in 750, a revolution started, and this revolution uprooted the Umayyad dynasty in the war of Zab river. In the war of Zab river, the last Umayyad Khalifa Marwan was defeated by this Abbasid in the leadership of Abu Muslim, and established a new revolution, new culture. This culture was influenced by the Iranian culture, and they established their capital in the Baghdad. Now the Iraq, the followers of Islam of Iraq, Khurasan and Irans were dominated, and Arabs were neglected now. So many reforms in the caliphate system, many important tax system were improved, and but this Abbasid dynasty again follows some rituals of the Umayyad dynasty, like the tradition rituals of the court system and the hereditary system. Of course, this Abbasid revolution was started against the dynasty, means the dynastic successor, but again he was bound to follow this revolution. And the Abbasid in the capital, the second capital of Samara, Al Mutawakkil mosque constructed. It is a very, very important achievement, and it is constructed by the bricks. We should know this mosque. I am talking to this mosque which is constructed in 850, and it is a symbol of, it is a great evidence of this Abbasid dynasty. But beta, slowly this Khilafat were destroyed. Why? First of all, the reason of Islam was going to spread, and from one community could not control the whole area. So to take the dominancy, so many communities were fighting to each other, and again a civil war started between the two sons of Khalifa Harun al-Rashid. One son was Amin and second was Mamun. This civil war damaged this Khilafat system in very bad way. Another was the another Turkey dynasty, who were known as the Mamluk, were emerging as a new power. Another was in Tahiri and Samani dynasty in Egypt. In Syria, the Tuluni dynasty. These all were emerging a new kind of dynasty in this region, and they wanted to establish their own power of influence. One revolution was also started, and this is known as the Fatimi dynasty. This revolution was on the name of the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, Fatima. So this Fatimi dynasty also started, and they were known as the Ismaili, and they established their capital in Kahira. Kahira means, what is the meaning of Kahira? Kahira means the Mirik, when the Kahira made as a separate capital, then it was a big challenge of this Abbasid dynasty. Between 950 to 1200, so many political systems were emerging, and so many dynasties were also working. Then what happened? How this Islamic world organized? Only due to the culture and religious beliefs. Only 10% population of this region were the follower of Islam. Remember that. But what happened? Slowly, conversion was started by forcefully, and so many new kinds of power was also emerging. But in Turkey, a Turk power was another power who emerged to capture the Islamic world. The first Sultan Alaptagin was the first Turk power who established the capital in Ghazni, and they were known as the Mahmuds of Ghaznavi. Mahmud Ghaznavi was, you know very well, how many times of Mahmud Ghaznavi attack on the India? How many times? 17 times, from 1000 to 25, and he demolished the temple of Somnath of Gujarat. Remember that. This time the area of Islam was going to spread from west to east, and up to Afghanistan was under control of this Islamic area. Extension was going on, and then Alaptagin, then Subuktagin, the another king, also after the decline of Alaptagin, started a sultanate. Another thing was the king of Iran were known as the Shahamshah, on the place of Khalifa. On the place of Khalifa, they adopted the title the Shahamshah, and they were the Buhavis dynasty of Iran. So we are looking somewhere Sasani, somewhere Iranian, somewhere Turkey, somewhere Alaptagin, Subuktagin, Fatimi, Egyptian. So many local powers were trying to establish their own power, and one power was not possible to continue, that was the Abbasid. And then after this Abbasid collapsed, and on the place of this Abbasid Caliphate system, a Sultanate system was established. And you know very well, in 1204 a slave of this Subuktigin, who Kutubuddin Aibak established the Sultanate dynasty in India, in Delhi, which is known as the Delhi Sultanate. But then after, a new kind of development we are looking in the Islamic world, and this is the Crusades. What happened? Now the Islamic world was ready to invade the area of the Christian world. The Hindu states of India, they were spreading only by the force of their swords. And what happened? When they established their dynasty on the Jerusalem, which was a very famous pilgrim center of the Christian world, here the birthplace of Jesus Christ. So what happened? On the to control over the Jerusalem, a new kinds of situation started between the two power of world. One was Islam's and another was the Christian world. A warlike situation started between these two two power of influence, and it was extension of power. It was for extension of power, and this war was correlated with the religion. It was fought on the name of the religion. They propagated the religion, and culture is in the endangered conditions. So they started a religious war. It is known as also the Holy War, and this is known as the Crusades. This is also known as the Jihad. Jihad means there is no any other beliefs, other faith beside the Islam. इस्लाम को छोड़कर दूसरा कोई भी धार्मिक फेथ नहीं हो सकता, और इसके लिए युद्ध करना हर मुसलमानों का फर्ज है। और इस तरीके का एक मिशन लेकर, इस तरीके का एक सेंटिमेंट क्रिएट करके, नियर अबाउट 300 years a war was going on for the Jerusalem. This is known as the Crusades. And in this war, in this Jerusalem, what happened? In 638, Arabs just captured the Jerusalem, and then after started the war. The first Crusades was from 1098 to 1099. But in this Crusades, the Christian world won this war. The lords of France and Italy, the soldiers of France and Italy, just attack on the Jerusalem and replace the power of Arabs. So in this first war, the Christian world won. In second Crusades war, what happened? In this second Crusades war is very interesting, and in this second Crusades war, 1145 to 1149, okay, Pope again called the soldiers of Christian world. Germans and Francisci army attacked on the Damascus, but what happened? They were defeated, and after what happened? The Al-Din, means the Saladin, a Muslim commander, just captured over the Jerusalem. It was a big defeat for the Christian world. But one thing, they were allowed to worship their Christians symbol of Jerusalem. The Third Crusade War was started 1189, and in this 1189 crusades, all Christian symbols were badly defeated by the Islamic world. The Jerusalem completely came under the control of Islam. Beta, this crusades was a war which created a big influence, a big gap between the Islamic world and the Christian world. In present time, the war between the Philistine and Israel is also related to this Crusades war. Beta, it is a war in which it proved that the Islamic power will be dominant in the Middle Asia, and the Byzantine Empire was totally just effectless. No influence of the Byzantine Empire in this region. The meeting of East and West started on the trade of India, China to the Europe, controlled by the Islamic world. The flow of art and culture, knowledge, and every kinds of informations was now under control of this Islamic world. This three crusades war proved that in coming future Islam will be the greatest power of this region. There is a permanent enemy feeling between the Christianity and Islam. So these are some important impact of these crusades. What was crusades? How the caliphate system declined? What was the importance of Abbasid revolution? These all points we have discussed in this conversation, in this discussion. After the conversation, I am just going to give some important questions related to this topic. Please note these all questions in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.